I had the goal of going for at least a year and I have achieved it. I've learned tons about a lot of different things, about myself, about the world. And I want to share with you guys some important things that I have learned in my journey, so that you guys can learn from my mistakes and shortcut your way to success. I'll talk about how doing SR not only has effects on your energy, but also on all aspects of your life. I'll tell you a simple yet profound secret that can ease your journey through SR, enabling you to go on long streaks with ease. I'll also reveal a hidden benefit of doing SR that most people don't talk about. This is also the secret ingredient of success in any field in life. I'll talk about all this and more. You'll be able to shortcut your way to SR success, and you won't regret it. So let's start from the beginning. My longest streak before this one was for about 6 months. It was my third streak after learning about SR. And my streak of 6 months taught me a very important lesson. A lesson that helped me to do SR for a year. The importance of having a why. You see, I had given myself the challenge to go 6 months on SR. But I had no strong why for wanting to do SR. This is why after 6 months, I ended up breaking my streak because in my mind I had achieved my goal. And then I realized that I had taken the benefits of SR for granted. As I suffered from the consequences of PMO, I made a major decision to never relapse again. Fueled with fresh resolve and a strong why, I decided to do a 1-year streak with the intention of making it a way of life. To make it concrete, I swore by God to do SR for a year, and God has helped me achieve my goal. If you haven't done so yet, I want you to articulate a strong why for you doing SR. It should be something you deeply care about or want to achieve. Write it down and look back occasionally, especially when you have urges. I promise you it will ease SR for you. SR is a tool. Now I'm going to talk about a mistake most beginners make. I made it too. The critical mistake is to think of SR as the end goal. In other words, SR is not an end in itself, it's a means to an end. It's a tool that helps you in your journey towards achieving your goals. And so you can't just do SR and expect your life to fall into place. For that, you're going to have to take action. You're going to have to change. Scary, I know. But if you want to succeed, you're going to have to do it. Stop wasting your time. As I realized the truths above, I took a look at my life to see whether my actions were aligned with my goals. And I found, as most do, the opposite. I was wasting away my life on social media, movies, shows, games, etc. And so I resolved to cut away the fat from my life. And today, I have completely stopped using Instagram, Snapchat, Reddit, and Facebook. I have stopped watching shows, and it's been more than a year since I last watched a full movie. I only use WhatsApp to talk with family and friends. And I have limited the use of YouTube to learning and improving my skills and watching things related to my goals. How was I able to go from wasting over 5 hours a day on social media and Netflix to completely eliminating them? The answer, of course, lies in the power that SR develops in you. The power of will and discipline. When you are able to take control of your desires and know that you aren't a slave to them, you develop a sense of self-confidence, willpower, and discipline which helps you in going through other difficult tasks, like learning new skills or eliminating fast food and social media. These are all things that I've been able to do. So as you go through your SR journey, I'd like for you to take a look at how you are spending a typical day. Take note of all the tasks that are not aligned with your goals and that are time wasters. Take note of your bad habits and slowly start to eliminate them one by one. This will free up more time for you to work on your goals and will ultimately make you more successful. It will give you more time to read more books and implement them, learn new skills, do new things, and more. Do you see how doing this will allow you to be more in control of your life? I know it will be difficult at first, but it's worth it. A note on books. Reading good books is a proven way to improve your thinking and learn new skills and ideas. But I want you to sidestep a critical mistake that plagued me for months. Inaction. I was reading books upon books, but I was implementing them scarcely, if at all. And then I was wondering why I wasn't getting any closer to my goals. I learned an important lesson. That it's better to read 2 great books again and actually implement them rather than reading 52 books and implementing none of them. Remember, just like with SR, books are a means to an end but not the end itself. This may seem obvious, but it's amazing how we can forget this simple fact. These are the things I wish I had known when I started doing SR. If you implement them, you'll be able to go on longer streaks. But more importantly, you'll be able to achieve your goals faster with ease. I hope you got something out of this post and hope it can have a positive effect on your life, and I guarantee it will if you would just implement it. Summary: develop a strong why for doing SR. SR is a tool. Use it as such. Stop wasting your time. SR develops a concrete will and discipline. Use it in learning new skills and developing better habits. Implement what you read and learn. Develop an action bias. May we all achieve our goals, and may God guides us all.